Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Harry.
Sir, we have problem in deploy flexibility, sir.
Team, are you able to hear me?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Morning, sir. We had
Morning,
the
sir.
problem with deploy flexibility.
I told you, no, we will expect the problem. That is expected. See what happening, just let me complete it. What happening, example, Anil doing the chart of accounts is the middle of the stage. And Achilles completed chart of accounts. When he is doing the deploy, system will take the middle of the chart of account, completed chart of account, it shows the error message. So that problem we can expect. So you need to wait and fix it until previous chart of accounts.
Actually, sir, even I am also got the same error. Yesterday night, it was the error. Today, I have done the deployment. It is success.
That means somebody fixed that like problematic chart of accounts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, actually here deployment status is green, sir. Why you are again your deployment, sir?
To know the like latest status. Good question, Anne.
సార్ యాక్చువల్గా సెగ్మెంట్ చేసేటప్పుడు నేను హై అని తీసుకున్నాను కంపెనీ దీనికి, అది ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది.
Sorry, Nani.
కంపెనీ సెగ్మెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ దీంట్లో హై అని తీసుకున్నాను.
No problem. That will be.
అదే ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది సార్ మనకి.
No, Nandi. You can keep any range. That is optional. Okay. Next note down. So we completed calendar. We completed currency. Yesterday, good news, and we got the 3 offers back to back. One is the IBM, one is the Avalon, one is the Infosys company. I hope you referred my screenshots, right?
Yeah, yes, yes.
So first one, she got the 4,90,000. Second offer 9,50,000. Third offer I did not check. What is the salary? Today I am going to talk to him. Okay. And from recent,
Sir, have they joined, any one of them has joined as fresher?
no fresher. All fake experience.
Sir, when we implementing calendar currency structure, these are implementing stage. We need to consult with the client and also we need to work in both simultaneously, sir. Or only we only work in the implementation, sir.
No. After consulting the client, we will decide what are the setups, what are the naming convention, what are the segments required. Okay. Next note down. So define segment values for each value set. departments, accounts, products, locations. Now I will go on to define the codes or values under company value set. Define values or define segment. Okay, next node. Go to setup and maintenance, regular navigation, common navigation. Go to setup and maintenance. Go to global page. Select the financial offerings. Select the financial offerings. Search the manage chart of account values. Search the manage chart of account values.
Sir, repeat again, sir.
So this is the basic navigation and no need to note down as a consultant. Okay, every day we are accessing the setup and the maintenance, global search, give the percentile, manage chart of account values. Okay, I hope you don't require to note down the navigation also, because we created value set, we created structure, we created structure instance. You should remember basic navigation as a GL consultant.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, new schedule process ఉంది కదా సార్,
Andamma?
న్యూ షెడ్యూల్ ప్రాసెస్ అది ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ ముందు మన క్యాలెండర్ న్యూ షెడ్యూల్ ప్రాసెస్ మనం చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి సార్. అది
అవును.
అది ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ నాకు ఒకసారి చెప్తారా సార్, అది ఎలాగా అంటే న్యూ షెడ్యూల్ ప్రాసెస్ ప్లస్ క్యాలెండర్ కావాలి సార్, అది నాకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంది.
చెప్తాను. 8:30 class attend అవ్వము. Tomorrow you can attend the 8:30 class. That will be repeated. Okay.
టుమారో సార్. ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Next, go to manage chart of account value set values. So same navigation we created the value sets, if you remember. Am I right or wrong? So read the Bhavya company, because we already created a value set. Then click the manage values. Click the manage values. Go to manage chart of account value set values. Search your value set code. Click the manage values. Click the manage values. Click the manage values. When you click the manage values under value set, it will allow to create segment values. Okay, I did not define the values now. Click the create button. Then just read it. Here we need to give the value as a mandatory, description, enabled active, start date not required optional, end date not required optional, sort order that we can call hierarchy model, summary, summarized balances, detailed balances that we will discuss, allow posting. You want to book the journal entry for this company code in the instance level, always should be yes. If no means that company is closed status. Allow budgeting, like client want to use the budget balances at company level. They want to use the budget based purchases, budget based expenditure as well. Okay. So let me give the example. 100 code. You can use any one, 001 or 100. So Bhavya, India Private Limited. So keep allow posting yes, allow budgeting. I'm not going to define budget now. And you can go and create within the country business or external country. You can define 200 as a Bhavya Nepal.
Sir, Nasima sir, in value sets, we have given this one company length, the two digits only, right, sir?
3 digit. I given 3 digit.
Okay.
Okay. So go here. You can use the Bhavya Sri Lanka. So make a note. Suppose client says, Narasimha, my Bhavya company doesn't have the MNC company. Within the country, I have the Bhavya Construction Limited, Bhavya Cements Limited, Bhavya Movies Limited, Bhavya some other company. You can define that model also, like Tata Motor, Tata Elxsi, Tata Chemical, Tata Capital, Tata Consulting Services. That can be possible. Clear?
Sir, why we are not giving budgeting, sir?
We are not uploading the budgets as of now. When we require, we can enable use it.
Okay.
So this numbering will be decided by client. Either they want to go for 001, they want to go for 100, they want to go for 500, 999 codes they are eligible to define.
Nasima sir.
Yeah.
సార్ ఇలా వాల్యూస్ కంపెనీస్ వాళ్ళు ఎన్ని వరకు డిసైడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్? లిమిట్ అనేది ఏమైనా ఉంటుందా?
No, you can define. But if companies really existed, country specific, you are eligible to define the code. It's like mobile numbers. It's like mobile numbers.
సార్ ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఒక కంపెనీలో బ్రాంచెస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, సో బ్రాంచెస్ కూడా సెగ్మెంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చా?
No. That branch as a segment you can take it up. Instead of the location, you can take the branches like ICICI Bank. Branch wise they want to do the business model. Branch wise profit and loss. Branch wise they want to run the business model. Then instead of the location you can use the branches.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Without going the value, can they go with branch names instead of selecting 100, 200, 300 like that?
No. Company is the entity which is a higher organization which we want to record each business transaction at a company level. That is the reason we will be defining the companies.
సార్ ఇలా రియల్ టైంలో చేసుకోవడానికి, రియల్ టైంలో వచ్చేసరికి చాలా రికార్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్, అప్పుడు ఎక్సెల్ షీట్స్ ఏమన్నా ఉంటాయా సార్ అప్లోడ్ చేసుకోవడానికి?
See, logically I'm telling, you can expect hardly 10 to 12 country codes. You can define manual. Coming to account, we can upload by spreadsheet because of 1000 values we can expect. Okay?
ఓకే సార్.
Here there is a facility. We have the spreadsheet data upload that
Narasimha sir.
we will discuss in the rapid implementation.
Narasimha sir.
Yes.
అక్కడ ఫస్ట్ లో మనం మ్యాక్స్ వల్ల
Tell me.
అది మ్యాక్స్ వల్ల 3 ఇచ్చాం కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు వాల్యూ అనేది 999 వరకు వెళ్ళిపోతే అప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ అది ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకోవాలా సార్ 4 కి?
అవును. Code will be extra.
Okay. Thank you.
So before save the data, you can delete it. Once you save the data, you can export it. How many values you have defined. Then you can increase the columns. Okay. Or you can check the show all. Okay. External data source is there for some integrations. Detach, sort, format as well. Okay.
Narasimha sir.
Yeah.
So we have created charter accounts for Bhavya Private India Private Limited. So we have not created Bhavya Nepal and Bhavya Sri Lanka. So we are using Bhavya Limited charter accounts for those two.
Did I mention anywhere Bhavya India chart of account? I think I defined Bhavya _ global _ chart of account _ instance, right? Did I mention anywhere India?
No, sir. Yes, I got it.
No, I'm confused, like whether I typed the wrong or not. Yeah. So, save the record. Once save the record, delete option will be disappear, disable. So we have the interview question. Can we delete the segment value? No, impossible. Can we delete the segment value?
No, before saving we can delete, sir. After saving we cannot.
As per the standard functionality, given by Oracle, it will not allow us to delete it. Even Oracle owner, even Jagan also, even KCR also, Narendra Modi also can't delete it. That is product logic. So few functionalities which you need to digest. Okay, this is standard functionality, this is not standard functionality. That you need to remember as a consultant. If you say, like example, let us take Lokesh is the interviewer. Lokesh, are you there?
Yeah, Narasimha.
Yeah. So example, Lokesh is interviewer and Srinivas or Venkatesh and Deepthi Chandana is the interviewer person. Okay, they are attending the interview. First, Srinivas said, first interview question, can we delete the segment value? Srinivas said no. Direct answer, no. Second person said, no, it won't allow. Third person, Deepthi Chandana said, system will not allow us to delete as per the standard functionality. Then who is having the good subject and here? Same question, same answer. Okay. You want to become third person, not first person. Okay. That means now Lokesh will feel that Deepthi having the product knowledge and fundamentally she is having the sound knowledge. He is preferred to choose the Deepthi as a next round. Am I right or wrong? Lokesh?
Yes.
Yeah. So answer is everybody will give the answer, amma. But the way of answer is giving, you need to feel. Okay, this is the way we can do. Suppose first person, Srinivas, he given the no. Then immediately Lokesh asked that somebody can delete it. Then Srinivas have the like strange behavior or astonishment or surprise face. Narasimha sir did not explain somebody is deleted. I think I need to check later. Then you should not get those type of mindset. behavior while giving the answer. You should be very confident on the answer. Okay? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible to freeze the created answer?
No. First, let me complete my logic. Then I will come to your point. Okay? You understood, right? What I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, try to digest that one. Right. So, now ask me, and somebody trying to ask that out, right?
So even from backend also it is not possible to delete the values
No.
through script.
I never tried. You need to create the SR and get the solution. Okay. First part. Second question. Narasimha, now Bhavya India Private Limited is the private limited. Bhavya Cement. After 10 years, that company becomes the public limited. Then you can go and override the company description at any time. So sometimes, recently, some companies may change the name. Example, previously we have the big company Infotech. That company name changed to Saint. Anyone knows this one? See.
Yes, sir.
Infotech Enterprises Limited adopted the Saint name in 2014.
Whether Mohan Reddy.
Okay. మీ రిలేటివ్ కాదు కదా బాబు.
Unfortunately, yes.
Right. So now you can change the company naming convention. We are not changing the behavior of the company. We are just changing the company name. That can be possible. In future, Bhavya people requested, Narasimha, can I extend my company? Bhavya America Limited, Bhavya UK, Bhavya Denmark or something. So you can extend you can define the new segment values and you can set the setups as well. This is the common logic, common setups for each country. Clear?
Sir, that can be modified by supporting team or implementation team, sir. After segment is added in the field, added in the company.
Supporting team
they added, sir.
Yeah, that time our project might be completed long back for implementation.
Okay.
Enabled means active. That company is closed. Bhavya company, they want to stop the business in the Sri Lanka, Nepal due to their personal reason or some losses. Then instead of the keeping that one, we will be keep as inactive or undated at segment values level. Clear, guys?
No, sir. Can you repeat it?
So if company is the established 5 years back, but that company transaction we are not performing in instance level, instead of the keeping that value as active, we will keep as inactive or undated for business model. Clear?
Sir, one doubt, sir. When we get the value sets, we have entered the manual of X3. Is there any link between this value and that value?
No. Under value set, you are defining the values. 3 size 999 company codes you are eligible to define this under value set. Clear?
So we can create under this one.
Yeah.
Of value sets, sir. So once the client started using the application, can we add it?
Yes, and we will add it before using the application, either manual or spreadsheet.
After using the application.
Yeah, you can. After using the application, you can extend the new segment values. Example, I will give the live example. I want to explain. See, I work for the J2 Global. J2 Global. First, we implemented in 2011 US, UK, Canada. Recently, that company entered in Australia, country, like our Kia company, Australia. They entered in Denmark. They entered in Netherlands. Okay. So the rollout project came to Hitachi project. Then we define the three segment values, three company codes, J2 Global Australia, J2 Global DKK Denmark currency, J2 Global Netherlands. We define the three segment values under company code. We extended the implementation for new countries. Clear?
Yes, sir. Do we need to add the future groups or directly we can add it on?
As a vision, that will be decided by client. They want to keep some spare values with the number. They can keep it, or when you need it, you can go and define based on the requirement. Clear? Then, so save and close. Save and close. Next one. Define the segment values for your department value set. We completed this. Next one. Define the values for department segment value set. So what are the departments we can expect?
Sales
Like
department.
Finance or core accounting?
HR marketing.
HR as
Marketing.
sales, marketing,
R&D,
procurement. So you can define whatever you require to go or whatever client communicated you. These are the department I want to use it. You can go and use it. Clear? Right. So go to instance, same navigation. Click the manage values. But here I want to highlight one important point. Before deployment, I request you to everyone, don't define the values somehow. Only after deployment, try to add the values. Clear?
But sir, we are getting error one after another. I mean, yesterday also it's not possible to deploy. What if today also wasted in that only? I mean, not wasted, but we are not getting chance to deploy only. If we are fixing one error, we are getting another continuously.
That is the problem I told you, right? You should have the good patience.
good subject to solve that.
Okay. Right. So go here.
How we can confirm that our CEO has been compiled? I mean, deployed. So is there any check?
No. Okay. No. That I will tell you. Okay. Next class level, you will come to know your like a COA deployed properly or not. Next, we have the concept called ledger level. Ledger level, if you are able to see COA name, that is the successfully deployed name.
Sir, here deployment status is there, sir. It's in a right mark after deployment, deploy flex fields.
Can you repeat again, sir?
Here we have after deploy flexi fields, a deployment status will be there for write mode.
Right mark. That is basic status to identify.
Okay.
That is also one part. He is asking chart of account wise status.
Okay.
Sir, do we update LO budget as yes?
Anytime and anytime we can.
Sir, finance ki budgeting yes better than sir.
As of now, I am thinking no. We never define allow posting no segment values that we can call dummy values. We don't define. We don't encourage the client to define the values with allow budgeting no. 99%. Whatever values we are converting from legacy to Oracle, we will bring the S values on. Is act. Am I right or wrong? If you don't want to enter the any segment value data, why should we keep the data volume in the books level?
So what is allow posting, sir?
Okay, allow posting means system will allow to enter journal entries, application transaction for that segment value without any restriction. If you keep the allow posting no, system doesn't show that value at a data entry level.
Okay. Summary, sir?
Summary means balances. I have the parent value, child values. When I am entering the child values, I want to accumulate to the parent value like total expenditure, total department, total companies. That will treat it as a parent value, summary as a yes.
But we are giving no, sir.
As of now, all are defining the child values.
Okay, okay.
Note down and okay. Take your own time. Let me know if you are once completed. Note down. Okay.
Sir, here description is one order. Values are one order. Is it a column wise order or
column wise order? You can define any order, but to duplicate it doesn't allow.
Okay.
Good question. Duplicate doesn't allow. Unique number.
Sir, you said to add values after deployment. So is that a practice or is there a reason behind it?
Behind the reason is there, 100%. Okay. If you, before deploying, suppose if you are trying to assign your, this segment label we can call them as segment label qualifiers, we can call these names qualifiers. That qualifiers will show strange behavior. You may not see this exactly what Oracle is provided standard. So that is the reason Oracle is recommending to add the segment values once